Now we're going to do single crochet 3 together, and this stitch is very similar to the single crochet 2 together, but we're going to add in an extra stitch. We are also doing a variation of the single crochet decrease stitch. Instead of working through the entire stitch, we're only working under the front loop. This does create a tighter decrease stitch, so there's fewer openings or holes. So again, we're going to work under the front loop of the stitch only. We're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. Then we're going to go under the front loop only of the next stitch. We're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. So we've got 3 loops. Then we're going to do 1 more stitch. We're going to go under that front loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. We now have 4 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 4 stitches. I'm going to single crochet 1 extra stitch so that I can put this down and you can see that by working under that front loop, it really closes up that stitch a bit more. So there's fewer holes. This is ideal for amigurumi, and it keeps the stuffing from showing through. So we're going to do that 1 more time. And we're going to work under the front loop, yarn over, pull up a stitch. We're going to go under the second stitch, front loop only, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then we're going to do it 1 more time under the 3rd stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop. We have 4 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops to close up and finish our single crochet decrease. Again, that's single crocheting 3 stitches together, and I'm going to single crochet over 2 spaces and do it 1 more time. Go under the very first stitch or very next stitch in your row, yarn over through the front loop only, pull up a loop, under the front loop only of the second stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then the 3rd stitch, because we're single crocheting 3 together, now we have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops to complete your decrease stitch, and then I'm going to lay this down. The fabric is going to curve because we're taking out stitches, but you can see how nice and tight all of those stitches are. Again, this is single crocheting 3 together, and it's an alternative that is a tighter stitch, perfect for amigurumi.